Hello, welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 13. And this week we're going to talk about an awesome utility called Font Awesome, where you can add some really cool icons and graphics to your site. Font Awesome can be found at fontawesome.com, and what's really cool is they have what's called a cheat sheet. And on this cheat sheet, here are all the different icons that you can use, and there's several hundred of them, and they have all kinds of different things from like a lock to actual brand name things such as Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter and Stripe and a whole bunch of other really cool icons. Alright, so let's see how we do it here. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I went and I made a page called Font Awesome. As you can see, there's nothing on here right now. And then I made a corresponding template. Now what's really cool about Font Awesome is it's based on a CDN, so that all the CSS and JavaScript and everything that you need is up on the cloud. So you can download it locally, but you don't have to. What's really neat is you can just insert it into your file here between the head tags. Now the head tags are the top part of the code. So basically all this is it's calling the style sheet through the Max CDN for Bootstrap, Font Awesome, and then it's calling the necessary CSS. And that's all you need basically to get Font Awesome to work. So now let's go ahead and let's see how we do the icons. Okay, now you have two things. Say for example asterisk. Here's the icon, and then asterisk is the name of the icon, and then over here is Unicode. Now you can insert it into your file one of two ways, either by using the name or by using Unicode. Personally, I use the name because especially when you're editing through it later on, most people aren't going to know what F069 is, but when they see asterisks or Facebook or something like that, they'll know, okay, this is for that icon. So that's why I like using the name. Alright, so to insert it in here, it's very simple to do. What you're going to do is you're going to create an icon class. So basically you do I class and then equals and then in quotes. Now I'm going to close it, and then there's the closing for the I class. Now right in here between the quotes is what you're going to put in. So you're going to put an FA for Font Awesome, and then you're going to do a space, and then you're going to do another FA with a dash. Okay, now when you go back over to the cheat sheet, for example, say you're using, let's go down to Twitter, for example. Okay, say you're using this one, you can either use the one with just the bird or the one enclosed in the box, which is Twitter Square. So for simplicity, let's just do Twitter. Okay, so then that's the name that you're going to put in here. So, and that's all there is to it. Basically all you do is save, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the page and refresh, and we should see the Twitter icon. And there it is. Okay, now you're probably wondering, well, that's really small and that's kind of boring. Can we increase the size and change the color? Absolutely we can. Okay, so let's go ahead and increase the size. Okay, very simple. All you do is go to the end of this, and then you do another FA, and then a dash, and then you put in how big of a size you want it. So in other words, if you do 2x, that's making it twice as big. If you do 3x, that's 3 times as big, and so on, all the way up to 5x or even larger. So let's go ahead and we'll leave it at 3x here. Click on Save Changes. And then we're going to go, and now this should be 3 times as big. There you go. Outstanding. Okay, cool. So let's see if we can give it some color now. Okay, so to give it some color, all we have to do is do a little bit of CSS Magic here. So what we're going to do is, right before the FA3X, we're going to put in FA for Font Awesome, and then we'll put in underscore custom. Now what this is this is the class, the CSS class that you're going to call. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a class called FA underscore custom. Now again, I just chose FA custom for example. You could call this whatever you want. Okay, so basically let's make it a color of say 0099cc. Alright, so now all I have to do is save changes, and I'll go back and refresh this, and then voila, there it is. There's a nice blue Twitter icon for you. So as you can see, by using the cheat sheet, you can make all kinds of really cool icons for like social media, for example. If you're putting it, say, down in the footer and you want to call people to your Twitter account, how awesome would it be to have that where they click on it and they go right to Twitter? It looks really neat and professional. So Font Awesome is an excellent utility, and it's very simple to do, and you can set things up in a matter of minutes. So again, you find that at fontawesome.com, and then for the cheat sheet, it's just class cheat sheet. It sounds like a tongue twister. Okay, well, this wraps up this week's WordPress tip of the week. I hope you enjoyed our video here, and I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, at the end of each month, any new subscribers are eligible for a drawing for a free WordPress course, so be sure to subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye.